Good evening, Rakesh.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening. And nice to
How
meet you,
are
ma'am.
you? Yes, same here. I think we had a session like 2 days back or 3 days
Yes,
back.
yes, yeah. 3 days back, we have like done the session too.
We had.
Yeah, we
Yes.
had. Right, ma'am.
Right. So, how was your day today? How did you spend your Sunday?
Yeah, it was great, ma'am, and it is going great too. And I went to park today and I played cricket. Yeah,
Right.
I played cricket 3 hour today.
Oh, 3 hours. You played cricket 3 hours. All
Yes,
right.
yes.
So, did you win or did you lose?
Yeah, I win. Always I win the game in cricket. Like usually I win. Yeah,
So, you
sometime I
are
lose.
always in the winning team, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, are you a good bowler or a good or a good batsman or a fielder?
Yeah, I do like both batting and bowling. But yeah, I'm not in good fielder.
All right, all right, all right.
Yes.
And do you also do wicket keeping?
No, I don't. I don't do.
All right. So, how many overs match you all play?
Yeah, today I played over of eight overs.
8 overs. All right.
Yeah,
So the match was of 8 overs. Was of 8 overs,
yeah. The
right?
match was 8 overs, right, ma'am?
All right. Match was of 8 overs, not match was overs. You put it better.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, got it, ma'am.
All right, so good. So tell me, what do you want to do? Do you want to do the topic, or shall we do something else as per your interest?
Yeah, today's topic is good. I just gone through the sessions material also. So there is a very good, interesting topic like related to sense something. So
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yes. So it
I
is. Yes, even I have done some of the homework for you because I recognize that we have one more session. So, all
yeah.
right. So if you had to lose a sense, right?
Mhm.
So, can you name me all the five senses?
Yeah, the first sense is nose, eyes, and taste,
Yes.
and here,
All right.
ear, ear,
All
and feel like touch. We can say.
All right.
Yeah.
Which sense do you think is the least important? Like you can survive a day without it.
Hmm. Maybe I can survive a day with like without having nose. We can say, ma'am, nose and like
Nose.
yeah,
Not
nose,
nose. Nose.
nose. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, nose. Yes. All right. So, yeah, even I think that without nose, I think we can survive not
Right.
one day, but many days. True,
Yeah,
true.
many days we can.
Yes. Which is the most important sense according to you?
Yeah, it is a most important for everyone, ma'am. I like I I can't imagine myself without eyes.
Eyes.
Yeah, eyes,
Eyes. All right. So pronunciation of not j, eyes.
eyes. Okay,
Nose. You see the z? You see the humming? Eyes.
eyes.
Nose.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, got it, ma'am.
All right. All right. So the most important is eyes. All right.
Yeah, right, ma'am.
Can you creatively come up with another sense that you can add to your body? Any?
Any sense can I add? Okay. Yeah, ma'am. I just want to add one more eyes in my back. We can say, ma'am.
All right. So you want a set of eyes at like behind your head,
Yes,
behind
yes.
your face. Sorry, behind your
Yeah,
face. Right. All
yeah. So I can look both side. Like if something is going on my back side, so I can see that too. And like if I can add inside my body, so I would like to add in my brain, like inside brain,
Right.
one item.
Maybe a sense that can tell you how your brain is functioning or how you
Yeah,
are
right.
thinking, how you are reacting to a situation, right?
Right. So that is the
And
reason I just want to add.
true. How would typically a day be without any sense? Do we even will we even exist?
Sorry, ma'am. Can you repeat again?
I'm saying then how can you picture a day when you are told that you have no senses working? How will that be? Or all right, the eyes are working, but
Mm-hmm.
rest are not functioning. So what will you ideally? How will you feel?
Okay. Mm, if I don't have like feeling without eyes, okay.
No, I said eyes you have. Other than that, the
Okay.
remaining four are not working. Like, how will that day be?
At least I can survive, or but yeah, it is totally boring because I can't eat something. If I eat something, so I can't taste that food,
Whether
and
it is mild, spicy, or bland,
right.
or
Yes,
it's all right. How
yeah, and
about hands not working? You don't
yeah,
know your
hands,
hand.
hands, hands. It means, ma'am, like it hand is not working is fine, but I can't feel anything.
Anything, not anything, anything.
Yeah,
See,
anything I can't feel.
anything is never a word. You cannot, we never say anything. Always say
Okay,
anything. All right.
anything. Okay.
There is no plural of the word
Mhm.
anything. All right.
So we can say anything, na?
Yes, anything.
Anything, yeah.
Okay.
So I can't.
See, because anything, let
Mhm.
me add, anything is one word. Never think that it is anything. Like not, it's not like any and thing you type separately. Anything. All right.
Anything.
It
Okay.
is one word. So this
Okay.
word
Got it, ma'am.
typically, this word never exists. Anything's.
Okay. Got it, ma'am.
Okay. All right.
So we need to combine both, like both anything. We no need to speak separately. We need to add in one thing. Anything.
Yeah.
Like
So if you see anything has two words that can be used separately also. Any can be used separately and thing can be used separately.
okay.
All right. So
Mm-hmm.
you can use any in any different sentence and thing in any different. When you combine both the words, it is a word, anything. All right.
Okay.
Wherein,
Got it, ma'am.
wherein if you add an S, that is
Okay.
incorrect.
Okay. Got it, ma'am.
All right. That is
Yeah.
incorrect.
Yeah.
Let's look at some vocabulary of all the senses. All right.
Okay. Yeah. Got it, ma'am.
So, with nose, can you come up with vocabulary? Like, what all can you do
Mm.
with your nose?
Uh, I can smell
Okay.
by my nose.
So, give me some more words regarding smell. There is one word, smell. Then,
Snip. We
sniff.
can't snip. And
Sniff. Are you
yeah,
saying
snip.
sniff? All
Yes,
right.
yes. And there is one more word, stands something.
Stench. Stench.
Stands, right, ma'am.
Stench means unpleasant smell.
Yeah,
Some- which is a
but
very
yeah,
gives you a very bad feeling when you have a stench, you have a smell of a stench. All right, what else? What
and
is basically a perfume smell called?
it's also a smell, I think, ma'am.
Scent.
Scent, yeah, scent. Yeah, got
Scent.
it, ma'am.
Scent. Then there's aroma, the aroma of
Aroma, yeah, so
aroma.
yeah,
Okay,
got it,
so
ma'am.
there are two types of smell, either it is pleasant or it is
Uh,
unpleasant,
yes,
right?
Got it, ma'am.
So under the pleasant smell comes aroma,
Mm-hmm.
scent, and under unpleasant comes stench.
Tense, yeah. Got it,
Right.
ma'am.
What come up with vocabulary with eyes?
Eyes. So I need to make a sentence related to
No, no,
eye.
no. No, just give me the related words with eyes. Like, what do we do with our eyes? There are different ways, right?
Okay. So
So,
I don't know, ma'am. Like I know only eyes. I
okay,
can see. I can see.
see, look,
Yeah. I can
then
look and
which
yeah. I
is
can.
the one called with the eyes wide open and you are like in for a surprise. What does that
Okay.
look
Okay.
called?
Okay. Yeah. One. I wondered like that. Okay.
Wonder is a feeling.
Okay.
Stare,
Attention. No, sorry. Attention. Okay.
stare,
No.
stare.
Stare. Yeah. Yeah. It means yeah. I got it.
Okay.
I
How
stare.
about this? How about you know what I'm doing with my eyes right now? What am I doing?
Blinking. Yeah.
Blink, right. So blink, stare,
Yeah.
look, see,
And one more thing, ma'am. Wink.
wink. Yes. So
Yeah.
when you use one eye and you immediately close it and open it, it's called a
Yeah. Yeah.
wink.
Yeah. I got it, ma'am.
Okay. A lot of words come with mouth. So what all can you do? What all actions can you do with your mouth?
I can chew the food.
Right.
I can without mouth. I can't taste.
All right.
I
So
can
taste,
swallow. I can swallow.
swallow, ni swallow.
Swallow. Okay.
Swallow. All right.
Yeah.
Say it,
Yeah.
repeat it. Swallow.
Swallow. Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
When you are taking liquid, then what words you can come up with?
I can sip the
Yes, sip.
water.
All right. Sometimes you lick something with your tongue. So lick,
Uh,
sip,
yeah.
taste, nibble, nibble, small nibble.
Yeah.
Nibble
Got
means
it, ma'am.
taking
Yeah.
small
Nibble. Yeah.
quantities and nibbling it, right?
Yeah. Got it, ma'am.
What about hands?
Hands.
What all actions can you do with hands?
I can throw the ball by hand,
Okay.
and I can.
Look here.
Yeah. I can say bye.
You wave. This is called a wave. The
Wave.
action is called this is
Wave.
called
Yeah.
buy, but the action is called wave. You can
Wave.
wave.
Yeah. Yeah. I got it, ma'am.
You can write.
Yeah. I can write by hand, and
You can punch.
yeah. I can feel.
Right. Feel. All right. So and with ears,
Uh, ears. I
only
can listen, and I
uh-huh.
can uh, hear.
Yes. Listen and hear. That is it.
Yeah.
Nothing
Yeah.
more with
Listen. Yeah. Listen. Like if we are giving attention to some words, and
attention.
yeah, if we are giving attention.
Attention. Sure. Sure.
Sure. Yeah. I last time you told me about this thing, man.
Attention.
Attention. Yeah.
So what you do is, no, whenever you have a session and
Yeah.
some words are not, just write it on a piece of paper so that you don't forget it and you keep practicing whenever you
Yeah.
speak. Like attention, I
Attention. Eyes.
know. All
Nose.
right.
Yeah.
So your mother tongue influence is there because of which the pronunciation tends to go haywire. All right.
Yeah.
You
Yeah. Right.
you're saying. So very important because when you have to sound professional in front of someone, you
Mm.
have to use, it should be near. I'm not saying perfect, but near perfection. Every
Right. Right.
pronunciation, all right. And all right, so with legs, what can you do with your legs?
I can go barefoot,
Okay, barefoot. All right. You can walk, you can run. What
tip
else can
top.
you do?
But there is one more, ma'am. Tip top, I think. Tip
You can
top.
tap, you can hop. You know what is hop? You are on one leg and you're jumping. That's called hopping.
Okay, hop. Okay, okay, okay. And
Okay.
like I can tip top, ma'am. Like I think I don't know the way pound something. It's
Tiptoe.
tiptoe. Yeah,
Yes. Then you can kick a ball.
yeah. I can kick the ball.
You can limp also. Limp is when one foot is injured and you have to use the another foot
Okay,
for walking. It's called limping. Limp.
limping.
Yes. So we had a great vocabulary of senses,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
I feel that not much of problem with the grammar, Rakesh, but definitely pronunciation you have to work on.
yeah. Right, ma'am.
All right. And so, what are you doing at home? About what are you doing?
Yeah, right now I'm just focusing on in English only, ma'am. I do job also.
All
So
right.
yeah. So apart from them, today is Sunday. So yeah,
All right.
whenever I get time to, I just try to speak English and
Even in weekday, take out at least 10 minutes and do anything. All right.
yeah, I do. I take ma'am 15 to 20 minutes, not 15. 1 hour. I also
All right.
yeah, 1 hour. I also give myself in daily
Hello.
basis. I try to give.
All
Can
right.
you hear me, ma'am?
Rakesh, yes, we have less than a minute, Rakesh. All the
Yeah,
best.
yeah,
And I
yeah. Thank
hope
you so much,
to
ma'am.
connect with me again